Let's see how selection sort works. The idea is to find the minimum element by iterating over the array and swapping it with the first element. So here, after swapping, the first element is now at its correct sorted position. Now we have to follow the same steps. Find the minimum element in the unsorted part and swap it with the first element of the unsorted part. And this process continues till the last element. Now let's see the code for this. First, define the function and take the array as input. Then, store the length in a variable. Next, run a for loop over each element of the array. Create a variable to store the index of the minimum element. Start with the ith element, then run a loop from just after I to the last element. And if any smaller number is found, update the variable to that index. After the inner loop ends, swap the minimum element with the first unsorted element. After the loop finishes, return the sorted array. Now the algorithm first checks for the minimum element in all n elements. Then in the next iteration it checks in n-1 and so on up to 1. Now if you know a little bit of math, this comes out to be big O of n square. The space complexity is constant because all the operations are done on the array itself and no extra memory is required.